Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. This is additionally to my video from yesterday, because a lot of you told me that you already know about this foam and you had problems fitting it on the goggles if you stick it inside the original one, which makes a distance between the lenses and your eyes, and I had to agree that this is correct. So I tried to look for a solution in the meantime so that we can live with until there will be something better. And so what I did, I took the original faceplate, I ripped the foam off it, and then I used the Velcro I had, the self taping from the iFlight foam. I put that directly on the plate. Here you see the plate, and then I stick this foam to the original plate, and that's working quite good now. So I can see about 95% of the screen. I've got a clear picture. So for the moment being, that's probably the best solution I can come up with. And if anybody of you has a better solution, then please let us know, leave it in the comments, and yeah, hope this information was helpful.